Hello folks, this is Trevor Lewis with another video from the Voyager Middle School STEAM Lab. We're doing xShape again. I just wanted to show you real quick how to use the Crease function. It's right here in the subdivision menu, and you can choose it, and then you've got a percentage of crease that you can set it to. I usually leave it at 100%, and then you can just start clicking on edges. I have symmetry turned on, so it's going to do both sides at the same time. And when you use the Crease function, it takes those nice rounded organic shapes that you make in xShape and makes them a little bit more geometric, a little bit sharper. And you can set that sharpness by dragging the slider, and then you can finish this and then do make other creases, or you can close the tool by clicking the green check mark. And you can see that side's a lot sharper than this other side. You also have the option when you're just doing your selections, you've got this fast crease. You see the little lightning bolt there. It won't even open up the crease menu. It just creases it right then and there. So, you know, if you're going along and you run through that crease menu very quickly, you can create what looks a lot more like something you might make in xDesign. We know how to combine things up with Boolean operations or add to things by switching to xDesign by pressing the X key. But Crease can also create some of that geometry that you're after. So that's how you use the Crease function.